Okay, buongiorno. I haven't done a little walk to the apartment for a while, video of it, and today is July 20th, and I am on my way to the apartment. So George, the contractor, now has COVID. Unfortunately, I hope it won't be too bad of a case, and things can pick up again in a week or so. Last time we spoke was a little over a week ago. Amazing bougainvillea everywhere right now. And he was going to pick up the rest of the tile that was at office. One half had already been picked up, but we need to pick up the other. And I just love these sea views from the walk. That is Genoa in the distance. Maybe I can, zoom a bit. That is Genoa. And then you come around this little corner and you can see the building. So we're still waiting for the final measurements of Stefano's apartment, which is the one on the third floor. Fabrizio, who lives on the second level, is the one who is assigned to give the measurements to Gianfranco, the geometer, who then is going to be able to give our request to the Comune. And of course they're going to say, yeah, you need to do that work. But that might take a couple months. So let's see if we can get it to them in August, September, October, then get it out to bid. So I've got fingers crossed for early spring. I plan to return here late February, because I'm really hoping things will pick up and everything can be put in. So George is going to Romania for vacation for 1 month, and he leaves August 10th. I'm sure he'll be much better by then. And he comes back in September. He told me that the tile will be down in the bedrooms and the living room by then, so then we can put the kitchen unassembled, the bath unassembled, all those things in the living spaces until the facade and roof are done, and then everything can be locked up. I'm just arrived. I want to take a look to see if they've removed some things from the cantina, because here's another place we could store things. Okay, so no. The answer to that is no. That little chandelier is going to go back in the house. There are two of them. Okay, so yeah. There's a lot that needs to come out of here, like almost everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back, shut this, and go up the stairs into the apartment. Okay, this is the cantina numero 2 that is in the process of being sold. We don't know when, but the current owners should get the bid that the three of us have been given for the permits and so on from the architect, geometra, I guess that's it. Oh, engineer also, look. Okay, so when they redo the facade, they're going to be redoing these steps right here because they are non-conforming right now. And all three apartment owners have to use them to get up. The second floor steps are nice. And they have a little garden outside the second apartment. So, okay, here we go. This is where, oh no, that's just new wiring. And that is where, oops, better go up a step, sorry. This is where the new contatore, which is the electric meter that's inside the house, it's supposed to be out here, is going to go. Oh, look, I have a little announcement. Okay, I'm going to turn this off for a second while I unlock the door and get us inside.